Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show, where we build your 11 Plus Exam vocabulary one word at a time. Today's word is flabbergast. It is pronounced flab-er-gast and spelt F-L-A-B-B-E-R-G-A-S-T. Before we get into today's word, if you're taking your 11 Plus exam this year, we're here to help. Visit the Exam Coach website and you can find loads of great resources from practice papers to 11 Plus exam planning tips. Remember to take a look at the upcoming courses and workshop schedule. At weekends and over the school holidays, we help children master their 11 Plus exam skills in order to gain entry to their first choice grammar or independent school. Now, back to today's word. Flabbergast is a verb that means to surprise someone greatly or astonish. It is often used to describe a situation where someone is shocked or amazed by something unexpected. For example, you could say the magician's tricks flabbergasted the audience, or she was flabbergasted when she won the lottery. The word flabbergast is of uncertain origin, but is thought to be a combination of words flabby and aghast. In the popular children's book Matilda, Matilda flabbergasts her teacher, Miss Honey, with her extraordinary intelligence and magical powers. She is amazed by her abilities and the clever tricks she plays. Synonyms for flabbergast include astonish, astound, amaze, and surprise. Antonyms for flabbergast include expect, anticipate, and foresee. Impress your friends and family by using your new word today. Flabbergast. Have a top day ahead, and we'll be back tomorrow at the same time for another Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Daily Vocab Show.